touring bikes couldn't get any better, think again. Because Honda just raised the bar with the 2025 Gold Wing GCT. Comfort, tech, and performance all packed into one beast of a machine. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your source for the latest in bikes, cars, and everything with wheels. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Gold Wing GCT a serious contender for the ultimate touring motorcycle. The Gold Wing has always been a symbol of luxury on two wheels, and this year's GCT model brings subtle but meaningful upgrades. GCT stands for Gold Wing Comfort Touring, and it absolutely lives up to the name. Design. The design is sleek and aerodynamic, with refined lines that balance sportiness with long-distance appeal. The updated fairing improves wind deflection, and the new seat design offers even more comfort for those long hauls. It's elegant without screaming for attention, a true class act. Performance. Under the hood, or rather the tank, you've got the same legendary 1,833 cubic centimetre flat-six engine, now tuned for smoother power delivery and slightly better fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising highways or climbing mountain roads, the GCT feels solid, stable, and surprisingly agile for its size. Features and tech. This year, Honda added wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a revised infotainment system that's faster and more intuitive. You'll find advanced navigation, tyre pressure monitoring, and even smart adaptive suspension that responds to road conditions in real time. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing GCT isn't just a touring bike, it's a statement. Power, comfort, and cutting-edge tech all rolled into one unforgettable ride. What do you think? Dream machine or overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real-world insights into tomorrow's rides. See you next time.